Open on a close-up shot of a hand holding a pen, poised above a blank page. Soft. Instrumental music begins. Yo voiceover. Warm and inviting. Are you captivated by the elegant flow of cursive? Intrigued by the precise strokes of calligraphy, the pen begins to write a single, flowing word, handwriting. Voiceover. Do you believe that handwriting is more than just putting pen to paper? That it's an art form, a personal expression, a tangible piece of yourself? Yawon, the camera pulls back slightly to reveal more of the page. Rayhan is now writing the channel name, Handwriting by Rayhan, in a beautiful, stylized script. Mulrita's voiceover. Then welcome to Handwriting by Rayhan. Quick cuts showing various handwriting styles, cursive, print, calligraphy, different inks and paper textures. The music becomes slightly more upbeat. YD voiceover. Here, we'll explore the beauty and versatility of handwriting. From mastering the basics to perfecting advanced techniques, Rayhan is now demonstrating a specific handwriting technique, perhaps slant or letter formation. Voiceover. We'll delve into the nuances that make each style unique. We'll cover everything from penmanship tips and tricks. Shot of various pens and writing tools being neatly organized. Voiceover. Exploring the history and cultural significance of different scripts. Close-up of Rayhan smiling directly at the camera. Rayhan. Speaking clearly and enthusiastically. I'm Rayhan, and I'm passionate about handwriting. Join me as we rediscover the joy and artistry of putting pen to paper. The final shot is of the completed Handwriting by Rayhan logo, now highlighted and easy to read. The music swells slightly. Voiceover. Subscribe now and let's embark on this handwriting journey together. Ren screen with channel name. Subscribe button and links to other videos.